Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva for AI design generation automation, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to www.canva.com. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see options to log in using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. If you already have a Canva account, enter your registered email address and password. If you prefer to log in with Google, click on the Login with Google option. Select the Google account associated with your Canva profile. For Facebook login, click Login with Facebook and enter your credentials if prompted. After entering your details, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Canva dashboard. To begin using AI design generation, select the Create a Design button. Choose the type of design you wish to create, such as social media posts, presentations, or other formats. Next, locate the Magic Design feature within the tools provided. This feature harnesses AI to suggest design layouts based on your input. Fill in the required fields with your content ideas or themes. Click the Generate button to see AI-generated design options. Browse through the suggested layouts and select one that fits your needs. After choosing a design, customize elements such as text, images, and colors as needed. Once satisfied with your design, you can save or download your creation. Remember to explore Canva's additional tools for further design automation and enhancements. Log out when you finish your work by clicking your profile icon and selecting Log Out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.